Let's take a quick look at what's new in ProPresenter 20. You can now effortlessly manage and switch between distinct events, services, or ministries using the new local workspaces. Keep all your content and configurations neatly organized and give each ministry or event its own setup, so there's less confusion and more clarity. Ready to gain even more control of your production? Let's explore the new ProPresenter Remote. Control every moment without leaving your spot. Trigger macros, fire props, switch between looks, and access entire collections right from your device. The redesigned UI puts everything at your fingertips, with customizable views that fit how you work. Whether you're on stage, in the booth, or across the room, you're in full control. Start using it today. Available on both the App Store and Google Play.